there's no need in this day and age to be using a product that doesn't specifically cater to you. No disrespect to any other products that I'm not mentioning in this video, but lots and lots of love to these brands right now, because these are the products that I'm loving at the moment, and none of this is sponsored. Some of these products were sent to me, but I'm just letting you know that I'm loving these products because I've actually reviewed some of these products, and I'm going to go into every single product and tell you why I like them specifically. But the biggest thing for me is these products are all vegan, they all support sustainability, they're all rich and hydrating and so specially formulated for Afro textured hair, which is a big yes for me. It is a yay, it is a yes, it is a big win for me. Hello Han, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Robyn. I run a holistic beauty blog called Behold, and in this space we're all about feeling beautiful from inside out. There's so many products on the market today that some of us could literally be standing in the aisles of shops for hours trying to figure out what are we going to buy. Now that I'm vegan, my choices have become way easier because I am more inclined to align with a brand that has similar values. So I choose products that don't have animal derivatives in them, and bearing in mind, I'm not expecting anyone to commit to the vegan lifestyle like I am. I'm just saying I'm now finding that there are products, great products, there are amazing products on the market that have been created in a way that doesn't harm animals. So those are the brands that I'm going to support, you know? So these are my top 5 for 2020 for this year. I don't know if it's going to change next year. I'm always trying new things, so probably 1 or 2 products are going to be bumped off the list, maybe all. But there's actually one product that seems to be making this list every year. I've also noticed that my products are pricier than the products that I mentioned in previous favorites videos. But this is also because the ingredients are different, the compositions are different, the products are richer, and because they're richer, I don't use as much product and it actually lasts me longer. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that more expensive products are better, because there are so many affordable products that I know performs way better than the expensive ones. Don't choose products based on price and reputation. You really need to check a review, or you need to review it yourself, test the product. And I will leave all the details below so you can get links to the products, prices, ingredients, and specific websites. Okay, so in no particular order, let's get into the top 5 for 2020. I don't know how many times I've mentioned this product in my videos, but this product deserves a medal or an award because it really is a great blend of oils. It is the My Natural Hair Strengthening Oil. Again, I'm saying this video is not sponsored by anyone, but I just love this product so much, and I have used a bunch of oils throughout my journey. I've had 2 big jobs now, and I've used pricier oils, I've used affordable oils, and this is on the affordable side in my opinion, and it is a great blend of oils that I love. Avocado oil, olive oil, they've got grapeseed oil in here, and they've also got sunflower oil. In the past, I would go and buy essential oils and then blend it myself, and for someone who has a bit of a heavy schedule, I'm sure that you can understand blending your own oils. Even though I'm the type of person who loves DIY, I like to put my own things together, cooking and those type of things, but sometimes you just don't have the time to. That's why it's great for me that I find everything that I love in this product. It's obviously a mix of the oils that I like, and yes, there's castor oil in here, which I'm not really a fan of because it's so thick and I feel that it weighs my hair down. Even though I have a lot of hair, I find that my hair is fine, and that castor oil tends to really weigh my hair down. But I think that the composition of this product is just right, because I will apply this after my styler to just lock in the moisture, and I feel it's light enough that it doesn't weigh my hair down, but it also just does the job at sealing the moisture, and my hair looks lush and it just feels great. It's soft, you know. So yeah, so 5 stars to my natural hair strengthening oil. Secondly, I want to talk about 2 products from the same range. It is the Afro Vegan range by an Or. And I know I'm only giving you 5 products. I'm saying this is on my top list, and this brand gets 2. How unfair is life? I have to be honest about the type of products that I'm enjoying right now, and this literally is my favorite right now. I'm not one to really fangirl a shampoo, but this shampoo has been doing so much. It's been working overtime on my hair, and I've been loving it because I rarely find a shampoo that I can detangle my hair with. And when I apply this shampoo, it obviously clarifies my hair, like that's the job of a shampoo first and foremost. But I find that I can finger detangle my hair without pre-pooing, without having any, like obviously I had product on my hair before I washed my hair, but no pre-poo, no preparation, no combing out my hair before, and just get into the shower. Also not parting my hair, not putting my hair into braids, just going into the shower like this, wetting it and applying the shampoo. Well, actually, when I do apply the shampoo, I half my hair, so I do left or right or right or left, and I'll apply the shampoo and I'll start at the root because that's where I focus most, and then I could work my way towards the end. But I can literally run my hands through my hair while I'm using the shampoo, which is a big win for me. And it smells amazing, which, you know, I'm a sucker for something that smells good. All these products smell amazing, but that's besides the point. I love that this is a shampoo that clarifies, doesn't leave my hair feeling dry and stringy, and it works as somehow a detangler. And this is what it looks like. Then the other product in the Afro Vegan range is the curl activator, which I actually don't use to define my curls. So what I use it for is when I'm doing a sleek hairstyle, which I'll show you now. Lately, I'm finding that I'm driving less and cycling more to run errands or go to meetings or whatever. And doing a sleek look, like having my hair down and having my fronts flat, is just way more convenient when I'm wearing a helmet. I've also just been loving that look lately, and this curl activator is rich enough to have my hair being laid down. I can use my tangle teaser to brush it down. It stays down in the same way as if I was to use a gel. My DIY hair gel is not making it to this video because it's a DIY product and it's something that I make myself. It's not something that you can buy. And sometimes, like I was saying about blending the oils, I don't always have the time to blend my own products. That's always my number one goal. But when I don't, I love being able to pick up a product that can do the same job. And this curl activator is great for me to style my hair. I haven't actually used this to do like a twist out or to define my curls. I have tried it for a wash and go and I did love it. It basically does the same job that a gel would do. There's no crunch, there's no flakiness. It still leaves my hair feeling soft, but it's styled and my hair is laid. I normally also just apply a satin scarf after I've styled my hair, so that I can ensure that my hair is completely flat, and it'll literally be like that for hours. This wouldn't be a proper top 5 list without a mask, especially if we are talking about type 4 hair. You know we need that hydration. So the Authentic Beauty Concept Hydrate Mask is literally the best mask there is right now, in my opinion. It is so nourishing, it's so hydrating, it just gives me that luxe feel. I don't really go to the salon often unless I'm having my hair cut, unless I'm having a blowout or I'm getting braids. And so on wash day, I'm looking for that experience. I want to treat my hair. I want to, indulge in a little bit of self-care. I also noticed that when I apply this product, it looks as if my texture has changed. But it's not that my texture has changed. It's just that my hair is so hydrated that it is forming the proper curl definition. I will show you what my hair looks like while I'm using this mask. It looks like I have a different curl pattern, but that is actually my natural curl pattern when it is so hydrated. And obviously it smells great. Lastly, I'm going to give it to L'Oreal for their Argan and Safflower Nourishing Potion. And this product is a pomade. It says that it softens and tames flyaways, which is exactly what I use it for. You know, on those days when it's windy and your hair is like going in different directions, or there's a piece of hair that doesn't want to go down, or it's just going wherever it wants to, I use a little bit of this product to just ensure that I'm getting my hair into the shape that I want to. And I find that it's rich enough, that it's hydrating to let my hair lay down and be shaped in the way that I want it to. But it's not heavy, so it's not like flattening my hair, and it's not too water-based that it is disturbing the structure of the style. So like if I was doing a twist out, or if I had a wash and go and I applied water to it, that's going to cause frizz. This is like the perfect in-between, where it's not too light that it's disturbing the curl pattern, and it's not too heavy that it's weighing my hair down. And that's it for this video. Please let me know what's on your top 5 list. Maybe there's a product that I haven't tried and can review for the rest of the community. I love when you comment and when you're sharing feedback, because other people get to see your comments, and sometimes someone has a question that they want to ask but they may be too shy, or they have feedback that they want to share but they don't know really how to communicate it. And when you share your feedback, it helps someone else. You don't know who is reading your comment and who might find whatever you're saying helpful. So please feel free to share with me, and in that way share with someone else. And I will see you in the next one.